So what I thought I'd do today is kind of take you through creating a piece step by step, so you can see it from beginning to end. And I think I'm going to choose these guys because they're so cute and show you the process. Alright, so next what I do is I take my bezel that I've shaped and I'm going to take the back plate and place some flux, which is kind of like telling where the solder should go. So the white stuff is the flux, and then the little tiny chips in there, that's the actual solder, which is kind of like the glue that will actually mold these two pieces of metal together. So that's coming next. So now I'm going to turn on my torch. It'll be a little loud, but now we're going to actually melt it. So you see how it's really dirty now? Whew, really, really dirty. So now it actually gets a bath. And this is where we clean in between each step to make sure that the silver stays pretty clean. And that is the pickle bath, which is basically acid. So after you get it out of the bath, it looks a lot better. Still kind of dirty, but what I'm gonna do is I dunk it, then I put it in the soapy water, and then we actually just brush it with a wire brush here. And what that does is it actually makes it a little bit shinier. Now it's not gonna be really polished, but it'll be clean enough so that we can keep going. All right, now so they're pretty clean around the edges. As you can see, they were black before. You've got to clean in between every single step, or else the next component won't be able to be soldered to it. So it's labor intensive. And I can tell you that at first I was kind of stubborn and tried to take shortcuts when I was first learning, and you just end up wasting a lot of silver and spending a lot of money. So it's good to take your time, but I'll tell you, once you get a really good piece, this is something that will last a lifetime, and that's really the quality that I want to be putting out. So it's worth taking the extra steps and just taking the time. The next component is this little, called it a leaf. I don't really know what it is. Kind of looks like the side of a shell, but I thought it was kind of Art Deco. So this is going to be soldered on next. All right, so I have these guys all polished and ready to go. So the next step is actually placing the stone inside, and I just put a little dab of glue. Okay, now I have them in. It looks like they're done, but not quite. If you can see, the bezel isn't pushed down around them, so that's what I'm gonna do next.